Hi, today I'm going to make flourless potato pancakes. And for that we need about 5 potatoes, large medium size, 2 eggs, salt, sour cream. I use canola oil for frying and 1 onion. Okay, let's start. There's many ways to make potato pancakes, but I like to do old-fashioned way. So you can ground it in, shred it in a food processor, but I prefer old-fashioned way. Okay. Now we're done. Okay, now we're going to pour shredded potato in the strainer. To get the juice out. And I don't know if I mentioned you that I use only yellow potato, not red, because red potato has too much juice. Okay, let's leave it for a minute or so. You can shred it in the blender, but I prefer to cut. I found it tastes better if I chop it. Check the juice. The reason I left it, because I want the starch that left. We're going to use the starch. Instead of flour, we're going to use starch. Okay, now I pour the juice from potato out. You do not need it. And look how much starch left. We're going to transfer potato to our starch bowl. Make a little hole. Pour onion, sprinkle all over, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon sour cream. Okay, now we're going to mix it. First try to mix eggs. Now we have to preheat the frying pan on, let's say, medium high. Okay, now we're going to start to fry. Okay, mixture here, pour canola oil. Make sure it's all over so it doesn't stick. And to test it, if it's ready, I like to sprinkle with water. Okay? Our cast pan is ready. I'm gonna take the big spoon flatten. Okay, and we're gonna fry it about 1 minute on each side or so. Just wait until the sides of the potato pancake is gonna be brownish. And if I need it, I'll always pour on the side a little bit more oil if it looks like dry. Okay, looks like already brownish around. Very gently turn it. Okay. Okay, this one, a little bit more. So now we're going to place our pancakes on paper towel to absorb the grease if you wish to. Okay. Turn it. You can leave it for a couple seconds or a minute or two, doesn't matter. Now it's time to enjoy our beautiful flourless potato pancakes. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe to my channel.